Here's a quick video about this new CFUpdater file I just made. The purpose of it is to tell you what to do and give you buttons to click to allow you to easily update functions, custom functions in your own file. So here's the CFUpdater file, and this is the file that I'm updating the functions in. So first off, I've already preloaded a group of custom functions, and it's for my FileMaker.json functions project. If I click that button, you can view the functions. Just to briefly explain it, you can paste functions from the clipboard that you've copied from the custom function dialog. And I've also set it up so I've entered a path, and you can click import, and it will read the contents of the files from that path and update the functions that you've previously pasted, or ones that already exist here. But this video is mostly about comparing it to your file. So then I go to imports to do that. I create a new record. You can enter your file name if you want. It's not necessary though. So I go to the function, the file that I'm updating. Go into the custom functions. Select all, copy, and I paste and compare, and give it a second to run. And it's going to give me a list of functions that don't match, or the functions that exist in the JSON native group that are different. So it'll tell you if you need to delete some, if you've deleted some in your group, or if you need to add any. Currently I only need to update them. If you needed to add, then you could, the copy button here would copy just that one function, and if there's any to add at all, there'd be a button down here to copy all. So let's say if there was 10 functions that you needed to add, you can copy them all at once and go over to your file and paste them in. But for this I have to do it because the only way to update a function is to paste in a new expression calculation. So I click that copy button, which copied the expression to the clipboard. So JSON find value, paste it in, and click OK. Then I can mark that as done. Checkbox is arbitrary. It's just shows you where you're at in the process. So array find end. So I'll just do a couple here, and I'll notice how there's 19 records found. There's 19 differences. Array find end. Sorry, find value. Yep. And I just updated 3. Now if I go back to my file, 3 of these should be updated. So if I copy them all again and go imports and do a new comparison, I should only have 3 less records that need to be updated, and those 3 that I already updated shouldn't be in the list anymore. So basically what you would do is you'd update them all. If you want to just confirm that everything's up to date, you can copy them all back in and do another comparison and know for sure that you have the current version of all the functions listed here. One thing to note is you can't actually delete a function from this list. You have to just mark it as deleted. Otherwise the system just won't know which ones are not in the group versus deleted. But that's about it.